record now and see if it works now. What's up, you guys? Gaming here, and today I'm gonna be playing Subway. A Subway game. One of you guys recommended Subway, so yeah. I'm also on the phone with my friends. So yeah. Look, my friends are over here. Yo, what the heck? I'm on the phone with them right now. I don't know. I think you guys can hear it. Oh my god. Hold on. Yeah. I'm on mute and tell them to say hello. Y'all, guys, say hello to YouTube. They can hear you. They can hear you. Lamau. Anyways, so I'm gonna go to my job now. But it's so weird how no one doesn't want to order from me. Like, Shay! The menu's up above. So last time they didn't post a Subway video only because I got fired. I didn't know how. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it said that I couldn't wear hats in the game, but I'm wearing a hat in the game, I guess. I'm pretty sure this kid was AFK. That was one. Oh my god. Where? Hold on. Yo, Enrique, bro, what are you doing that? I can. Oh my lord, oh my lord. I'm the only one that can give you warnings. Anyways, so I wrote this in my own words. You know, yeah. Hello, can I speak to your manager? Bro, why y'all trolling? Oh my god. I'm just saying, okay, BRB. Where is the manager? Where is the manager? Yeah, I don't think the manager's here. Man, the manager is not here. Sue me? What did I do? I do. How can they even sue me? I did nothing. I just wanted a normal job. No, let me talk to your manager. Girl, get out. You ain't even ordering. Yeah. Yes. Subway. So, one of you guys recommended is Subway. So Subway, you know, you guys like one of your comments said Subway, more Subway vids, you know. So shout out to you, you know. Also, tell me what game I should play, you know. I'm getting this videos ideas, you know. I like some Italian 6-inch. Okay. Any topping. Yes, she was. Ooh, she finna get in trouble. Is there an issue? Yes, there is. No, I was not. I am trying to work here like a, you know, I'm just trying to work here. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm gonna get in trouble. You guys are trolling, I swear. I would like, some toppings. Okay, what kind? Anyways, I don't know why I'm quiet, you know. I'm about to get sued in the game. He didn't say what toppings. He wanted a 6-inch. Let's just put everything. Here you go. No, I just need to give it to him. Oops. What? Oh my gosh, now I'm gonna give it to you. I did give it to you. You see, it's not here in my inventory. Anyways. Okay, so, yeah, you know, we're just gonna, like, snoop around, you know. Yeah, um, Okay, so what's it called? If you guys are a new subscriber, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, because I'm gonna be giving out shoutouts. Yes, shoutouts. What I mean by shoutouts is here. To enter is you have to like and subscribe, post notifications on. So when you're done, also go follow my Roblox account. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.